In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with Ramp Network. Now to do this, you want to go to their official website, or of course the app is going to work as well. I'm going to show you how to do this on the website. From here, you want to go to this buy button up top, hover over it, and you want to click on where it says asset types. You can see buy Bitcoin. So you want to click on buy Bitcoin over here, and then you simply want to go and of course select how much you want to buy. So over here on the right, you have this widget. You can just go ahead and select the currency you want to pay with. You have euros, you have all the other ones as well. So I'm just going to select euros for now. And of course, you can select how much in euros you would like to pay. I'm going to do, let's do 150. And then down here, you want to make sure that Bitcoin is selected. So Bitcoin, of course, there's a bunch of different ones. Click on Bitcoin to actually buy Bitcoin. From here, you'll see how much Bitcoin worth you're getting for your money over here. Or you could go and just type in the amount in Bitcoin, and your amount is going to update when it comes to euros. So let's go back to 150. There we go. That's how much I'll get. And then from here, you want to click on the continue button. And this is going to take you to a separate page over here where you'll be prompted to actually, of course, sign in. You could continue with Google or with email. I'm just going to click on continue with Google over here, and I'm going to use my main Google account to actually kind of sign in and show you how to do this. So there we go. And then you have to go ahead and read the privacy policy and then terms of service as well. And if you agree to those, you have to, of course, check you do and then click on continue. Now, from here, whenever you've done these consents, you're going to have to type in the country of residence you have. So in my case over here, I'm actually going to go and search for UK. There we go. And then you have to select if it's your tax residency, yes or no, click on confirm. And then from here, you're going to have to do a few more things. So it's going to load in, and there we go. I'm going to continue with regular fees. From here, you simply want to go and select your wallet address you want to send it to, and then how you want to pay. So in my case, what I'm going to do here is show you how to do this using, let's do MetaMask, okay? Because it's, I think, kind of the most common wallet. So you'll receive this to MetaMask. Of course, you could do whichever other wallet you want as well. You can have it as an extension. You could have it like a cold wallet, whatever you want to use. But on your wallet, you want to find your Bitcoin. So here I just have tokens, Bitcoin. I'm going to click on it, and you'll find the receiving address. So click on receive, and then you want to select Bitcoin and click on copy, and you want to paste this address in here, okay? So I'm going to paste it in here like this. That's my address. You can go ahead and double check it just so you're sure, and then click on add wallet. That's going to check it, and there we go. You have to, of course, confirm the ownership, and you'll be able to add your wallet just like this. Now from here, you want to select how you want to pay. I'm actually going to pay with credit card, but of course you may have to, of course, click on over here and put in some additional info if you actually want to pay a different way. From here, you can see all the fees and stuff like that, and if you agree to this purchase, you can just click on the continue button, and that's going to allow you to basically go and click on this continue. So for my case, in my country over here, it says I'm going to have to be asked a few questions. For your country, you may also have to be able to verify first. So in my case, I have to get verified. I'm going to click on this continue button, and you're going to have to verify your ID essentially. So for your country, this may be required or not. It depends on where you're from. But then from here, I'm going to have to upload a photo of my identity and then do a quick check to prove I'm real, and of course complete a short questionnaire. So you just have to finish this, whatever it is for your country. You want to do a start verification and then agree over here, and there we go. You'll be able to select your document and then fill in all the required fields, and that's essentially all you have to do. You could also continue your phone, so you can just go and take pictures directly, and then when you finish this, you'll be able to press the buy button, fill in your card details, and that way buy Bitcoin with Ramp Network. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.